Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to download undownloadable PDF files using this Chrome extension. So please search find Greph app, and then this is a browser extension. So let's say for example, you want to download this PDF file, and then if we are going to scroll down, so it's a PDF file, and then we will check if we can download this PDF file. So let's go to its settings. So here, let us click the three dots. And then if we are going to check, there's no option for downloads. And then if we are going to check its details, as you can see, viewers cannot download. So meaning we don't have permission to download this PDF file. So what are we going to do to download it? So search in your Google Chrome PineGraph app, and then after that you click the PineGraph app, and then scroll down, and as you can see, this is a Google Chrome extension wherein you can add it in your Google Chrome. That will help you to download PDF files. It's a Chrome extension, okay? So you may read through it, some information about it, about its description and some features. But once you're already okay with this, so you may now perform its installation and then adding to your Chrome extension. Okay, so here we're going to add it to our Chrome, add extension, and then after that, once we're done, we already add it in our Chrome extension. Then after doing that, we have here already our different extensions. You may check it. It's like a puzzle. Now once we're done with this, first of all, once you already installed that extension, first thing that you're going to do is to go back on your PDF file. And then as you can see, you're going to click your Chrome extension here. Then you have to make sure that the file name of the PDF file that you're going to download is the same as the file name of the PDF file, okay, that you're downloading. And if it is not the same, all you need to do is to refresh the PDF file, okay? So as you can see here in my first trial, the file name is not the same, so I refresh it. And then once you refresh it, go to extension once again, and then here it's already the same. The file name is already the same. Once the file name is already the same, the next thing that you have to do is to scroll it down up to the last page. Once you already scroll it down, click PDF file. Then it will now give you the PDF copy. So once it's okay already, let's click that, and here you have it. So here's the PDF file. So by the way, some consideration, you have to scroll it to the last page first.